almost jumps flat. It looks like you land on your frame there.
Right here, you just go good second gear. You'd pop right through that, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
From the other direction too, Chuck.
Crazy.
Yeah. Oh, look at that wall jump thing.
Yeah.
That thing's wild, man.
I know that we do on a mountain bike, but it doesn't translate.
I know, it doesn't. I agree with you. You almost got to square it up though. Yeah, man. I thought I was on to something good. Moments, man. The sun, the fun climbs, the camaraderie, the brotherhood. Super fun out here. Oh, you're so crazy. You so crazy. You all right? Boy, you so crazy. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh crap. John, I might need your help over here. I know. I'm just on a weird angle. I can't give much torque. Hang on. Oh, your leg's in there?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Ready? Yep. Get your leg out of there. You get
yeah. Can you get it out?
No, I can't.
All right, hang on. Hang on.
Wait a minute. I need.
Pull it up the hill just a little
Yeah, it's like
that tree stopping.
Perfect.
stuck there.
Thank you. Get out. Oh, okay. Now, thanks.
Now my leg's stuck.
Hey, you did your part.
And the mistletoe. And he's like taking a dirt nap over there.
I won't kiss you out.
Wait. Okay. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh,
jeez.
Kick that.
What
Please,
a...
no cactus.
Kick it again.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
That was like, see, that was the double momentums. You had them really smoothly, man. super hard move. It's that this is the consequence. Imagine your leg falling in here or down here, come off, or that's a solid 8-10 feet up. Right on, man, right on. Right on. Freaking awesome, dude. Look at that. He made that look easy, dude.
Yeah.
Man, you made that look easy, dude. Nice. Nice turnaround technique. Pivot that bad boy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Look at this guy. Woo wee. Right on, man. Right on, right on, right on. There you go.
Back up a little bit.
Freaking what a day, man.
Yeah, that was pretty crazy.
What a day. That was a good day, huh?
It's a good practicing.
Yeah, man, that was awesome.
Start off back and pull myself forward.
Yep, that whole zap thing.
Yeah.
That was impressive, gentlemen. That thing's got consequences right there, man. That thing get in your head a little bit. If you had to do that by yourself, I bet it would be more of a, I'm gonna pull my bike up, I'm gonna